welcome back to Tinkergineering. Today my brother Oliver, hi, will be making a 3D heart. So also, I hope you noticed, we got new t-shirts. Hey Oliver, do you like your new t-shirt?
Yeah.
Also, we got new bags. My bag is right here. Oliver's bag is right here. Which reminds me, we should get out the supplies by now. What you will need to make this craft is a hot glue gun, some colored construction paper, any color you'd like, scissors, and something to draw with. So like a pencil or a marker. We would suggest pencil.
And this is our example. So first we need to pick out a piece of paper. It can be whatever one that you want. Only one.
Oliver's using red.
Actually no, I want to use red.
Or purple. He's using purple.
Then you just need to fold it like this.
So fold it in half.
Then it should look like this. Wait, open it. Then draw a heart on it.
You probably can't see it, but I'm drawing a heart. There's no funny business about this.
Wow.
Random saying.
And here's your heart. So then you cut from the middle of the heart downwards just a little bit so it doesn't really
Like fall. Don't cut it in half. Cut it almost all the way.
Then on the second one, you cut from the bottom. Then you put it together. This is hard. Then you get your hot glue gun. And then you put hot glue on the inside of the heart, like on every side.
Make sure to put it on every side. And then once you're finished with that, you finish the craft.
Yay.
So it's a cute and easy DIY 3D heart. And I just think it's so amazing. Such a great idea my brother had. And yeah, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to Tinkergineering. We really enjoy you guys watching our videos. And yeah, so bye.
Bye.